What is driving license? A driving license is an official document issued by the government of India permitting an individual to drive a vehicle on India road. The document certifies that the individual is eligible to drive or ride motorized vehicles such as a car, truck, bike, bus, etc. without any supervision. Commonly referred to as DL, a driving license specifies that you have to undergo the required training and test and are well aware of the traffic rules regulation. In India, a driving license is issued by the regional transport authorized or regional transport office of the state you reside in. A driving license contain a registration number and a passport size photo that give you the identity of the owner of the vehicle. It must have a rubber stamp and the signature of the officer in charge along with the mention of the office it was issued from. In India, if you are learning to drive, this you should first get learning license, after which you can get permit permanent driving license. Driving license category in India. Category of use: personal use. License class: MC 50cc motorcycle. Vehicle type: motorcycle with a engine capacity of 50cc or less. MCWOG per FVG, motorcycle with an engine capacity but without gear. LMV NT, light motor vehicle that are used for non-transport purpose. MCEX 50cc, motorcycle with gear, motorcycle with a capacity of 50cc or more. MC with gear or M per cycle weight, all motorcycle even with gear. How to apply for driving license in India? How to apply for driving license online? For applying for driving license online, follow the below mentioned step. Visit the official Sarathi website. Click on Sarathi service and select a new driving license. Read the detail and download the form. Fill the form as the instruction and submit. If before submitting the form, note down the form application number. After submitting you will receive an SMS that will show you the status of driving license application. Schedule your learning license that this type clicking on appointment for LL test under the online transaction with Sarathi section. The appointment of LL test will you should schedule the time and date of test. At the time of the test, you will have to carry the requirement document, i.e. the age proof and the residence proof.